Today, I'm designing a luxury watch logo called Aurum in just 15 minutes. Let's discuss the client's requirement. Aurum means glow of sunrise. The client needs a minimal logo which focus on precision, luxury and timelessness. Initial base mark icon with clean sharp typography should feel premium. The competitors are Rolex, Philips, Omega and Cartier. These are some color suggestion which is provided by the or suggested by the client. No revisions, no overthinking, only pure design decision. So create a new artboard of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Let's start the timer. So let's start with the type tool and please follow the steps as shown on the screen. The font taken is Varela Round Regular. This you can get from Google Font. Please follow the procedure as shown on the screen. I'm not very useful with the pencil tool, but first time, let's do it. Let's create a connection between you and you with the pencil tool. Stroke width has to be 25 point and the dashed line has to be taken like 25. You can take with a round cap. Do as many as revision till you get the perfect curve. This looks nice. Still needs some alteration. Okay, this is perfect. Go to expand and now select U and the curve and unite them together. And this is done. So let's focus on the icon now. So let's focus on the first letters, which is A. Let's try to create some A or A type with the help of pencil tool. So again, increase the stroke size to 25 with rounded cap and try to create a O. We have 7 minutes 60 seconds now. Let's delete these two and let's work on this one. Still I am not satisfied, so let's create the other one related to this one. Again take a pencil tool and let's draw. Whichever points you don't need, you just click on it and press the delete button. This one is perfect now, so I will delete the unwanted part. We have 4 minutes 57 seconds now. So alter this one. Let's decrease the stroke size. There is some other errors are there, then please correct it. After confirm that it is okay, select everything and expand. Decrease the stroke size if you need. Go to object and expand the fill and stroke. This looks perfect for me. Select both and centralize. Oops. Select the letter and group it first. Then select both the thing and centralize. And that's the logo design before 15 minutes. Still we are having 2 minutes 50 seconds. Let's check on the black background. Select the logo and convert that logo to white color. Select both the thing and place it on the black background after grouping. Okay, again holding Alt, create a duplicate one, and we have 2 minutes 7 seconds. So let's color it. So color the icon with a golden with the help of eyedropper tool. The shortcut of eyedropper tool is I on the keyboard. Please follow the step as shown on the screen. And that's the logo design before 15 minutes. It works or not, you will come to know on Wednesday. On Wednesday, I will revise this logo and show you how small refinements turn a good design into a premium client ready logo. Now let's go for client presentation. Subscribe if you want to see the real logo design thinking, not just street art. Hope this was useful to you. Thank you for watching.